Hi everyone, welcome to Bloomfield Car Sales on the Greenhills Road. We are just a 5-minute drive from exit 10 Ballymount on the M50, and today we are giving you a walk around video of our 2015 Audi A3 S-Line. This particular model is 170,000 kilometers from new, with some service history to back that up. It is also an automatic 1.4 petrol TFSI, so it has paddle shift as well. Give you a brief look inside here now. Automatic with paddle shift, the S-Line detailing on the seats there as well. It has the sat nav up on the screen. It also has rear park distance sensors too. Being the saloon version as well, there is very good boot space on the car. Just fresh from the machine polish, and the car has been very well maintained. Alloys are in good condition, 4 very good tyres in the car. It's NCT'd until June of 2025, and the road tax is just €190 per year. Finishing Daytona grey with the 18-inch alloys, it is a fantastic combo in them. Also, very quickly, just show you that it has onboard computer. That is your control there. Obviously, as I said, sat nav is on the screen, and electronic handbrake is there as well. Dual climate control here in the centre. Your paddle shift, multi-function steering wheel and cruise control is all there. This car has just went live. It has been bought in from a previous customer, and if you're interested in this car, give us a call on 085 100 8394, or send us an inquiry from wherever you are seeing this car on the classified sites or our own website. Thank you very much.